Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get iPhone to ring on incoming calls. If your iPhone isn't ringing for incoming calls, here are some steps to troubleshoot and get it back to ringing. First method, check the ring silent switch. Make sure the ring silent switch on the left side of your iPhone is flipped up towards the screen. If it's down, it's in silent mode and won't ring. Next method, adjust volume settings. Press the volume button on the side of your iPhone to increase the ringtone volume. Also, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, and ensure the ringer and alerts slider is set to an audible level. Another method, turn off focus or do not disturb mode. Swipe down from the top corner or from the bottom corner of models with the home button to open the control center. Make sure focus or do not disturb mode, the moon icon, is off. Next method, check call forwarding. Go to Settings, Phone, Call forwarding. Ensure call forwarding is turned off, as it may redirect calls without ringing. Another method, check for silenced unknown callers. Go back to Phone, Silence unknown callers. Turn this off if it's enabled, as it will silence calls from numbers not in your contacts. Last method, restart your iPhone. Restarting can resolve minor glitches that might prevent your phone from ringing. Press and hold the side button and the volume button, then turn it back on. Following these steps should get your iPhone ringing for incoming calls again. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.